Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect your holidays with Travel Guard insurance. To protect your holidays, start by understanding what Travel Guard insurance offers. Visit the Travel Guard website or contact a local representative. Explore the different types of travel insurance policies available. Determine what coverage you need based on your travel plans. Consider factors like trip cancellations, medical emergencies, and lost luggage. Use Travel Guard's online tools to compare policies and coverage options. Read customer reviews for insights on their experiences. Once you've selected a policy, click on the Get Quote button. Fill out your travel details, including your destination and travel dates. Review the quotes to see the various coverage amounts and premiums. Choose the policy that best fits your needs and budget. After selecting a policy, proceed to the checkout page. Provide your personal information and payment details. Make sure to read the terms and conditions thoroughly before purchasing. Once your payment is processed, save or print your insurance documents. Carry a digital and physical copy of your insurance on your trip. Familiarize yourself with the claims process in case of emergencies. Keep contact details for Travel Guard handy during your travels. Follow these steps to ensure your holiday is protected with Travel Guard insurance. Enjoy peace of mind as you embark on your adventures. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation step. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.